tell me, where are you taking me at this time?
Why you are asking the same thing again and again? Why you are having doubt?
How many times I've been asking? Tell me.
Till now you are asked 99 times. Just one more to go 100 times.
Okay, tell me, where are we going?
If you want to stay relaxed in city, neither your friends or my friends are leaving us. So that's why I came to this bungalow with you. And you are killing me by asking the same thing again and again.
Oh, really? Sorry, man.
Within some time we'll reach that bungalow, okay? So stay calm. Get down. Come.
This house is so big.
It is more beautiful inside, you know. Come. Why are you standing there? Come inside.
Mm-hmm. Wow, this house is so beautiful, Ravi.
Right. That's why I brought you here.
Okay, then when are you gifting me this kind of a house?
Once I get dowry from your father, I will definitely.
I'm only too much for you. On that you want dowry.
Yeah.
Okay, come.
Let's go.
Are you a manager?
No, ma'am. I'm a driver. Manager has sent me to pick you up.
Why? Manager didn't come?
No, ma'am. Madam, he is Manager Chari.
Welcome, madam.
You don't have any responsibility? What happened? Who are they?
One boy, one girl, madam.
What happened?
Don't know, madam.
It's easy for you to say don't know. Tell me, what else do you know?
Actually, that time I was not there, ma'am.
I don't know what to do with these people. How was this murder, doctor?
Just now you saw the report, right? They both have met with an accident and they had died.
Oh, thank God.
Madam.
SI sir, please send the two bodies to their houses.
Okay, madam. I'll see.
Is there no watchman for that building?
Hey, watchman, come here.
Coming, sir. Good morning, madam.
What are you people doing over here? Do I pay your salary to face problems? Since they died in an accident, there's no problems. Same way, if any murder had happened, it would be a big problem.
Madam, the way you think they did died with an accident, in that building there is a ghost. That ghost only have killed them, madam.
What? Devila? Are you telling stories?
Madam, why should I say your story, madam? In that building there is a ghost. Really, that ghost only have killed them.
Doctor has given a post-mortem report telling that they both died in an accident only.
That report is only for educated peoples, madam. More than your payment, my life is important for me, madam. Take your key, madam. Take.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, baby. Did you reach safely?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, say, how is your village?
Here everything is fine, Dad. But some people act like real fools over here.
Ha 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 ha. It's okay. You went for your work. What is the problem?
I don't know some girl and boy, Dad. I think they're lovers. They ran from their home and they've come to our building. I think they both had some fights together. They told they both committed suicide.
Oh my god. If they get to know about this matter, it will be a problem.
No problem, Dad. I spoke to the SI. But there is some unbelievable thing in this. They're telling there is a devil in this building, and the watchman told me that devil only killed those two people.
What? It's completely nonsense.
Nonsense only, Dad. You know what, Dad? That watchman left the job and he handed over the keys to me and went.
See, baby. This land price is more than crores, baby. After selling many buildings and getting commission only, we have bought this building, baby. Now this Mr. Vittal Reddy. From the profitable amount only, they have taken this from us. To take over this building within 10 days, they are only coming. If they get to know any problem is there in this building, they will cancel the deal.
I understand, Dad.
I think my competitors are planning something and trying to cancel the deal. Understood?
Maybe you're right, Dad.
We can't let this deal go back, baby.
Okay, Dad. I'll take care of it.
Okay, baby. Eat on time. Take care.
Okay, Dad. Bye.
Bye.
Hmm. Mm. Mm. Ah. Mm. Ah. Mm. 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 Ah. Ah. Mm. Mm. Ah. 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 Mm. Ah. 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 Mm. Huh? Mm, uh, 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 uh,
Good morning, young ladies. Myself, Ravikant.
Hi, this is Mitra Chaudhary.
Last time, while finalizing the deal of Dream Valley Homes, your father was not well, right? How is he now?
Now he's fine. Thank you.
Good. Please sit. Please. Tell me, Miss Mitra, what can I do for you?
I have come to speak about Dream Valley House.
What? Dream Valley? Okay, definitely we can talk. I don't have any issues. You are most welcome. Okay, let's talk.
What is the history of Dream Valley House?
Is it a Eiffel Tower or Qutub Minar? What is so interesting in that? That few years back, my father has taken this from Krishna Vinayakar. After that, as per the deed, that belongs to me now. As per the guide, the guest house I have, I'm giving to tourists for a rent. Few days back, the guide also left the job. After that, nobody was there to take care, so I sold this house in a less amount. That's all. History over.
I didn't come here to listen to your story. I have come here to know the secret behind that thing.
What secret? What are you talking, my young lady?
They say there is a devil in that house. Do you know anything?
That means you also believe in devil and ghost stories?
I didn't even trust when the watchman told this. But there is something fishy going on in that building. So even I feel there is something.
Do you know how ridiculous you are sounding? If you tell these things outside, no, people will call you educated fool.
Can you listen to me? I have studied MS, Stanford University at US. I know the difference between reality and fiction more than anyone knows. And I know something wrong is going on there. You're hiding something from me. And I can understand from the way you're speaking. I feel something negative in that building. That's why you sold it for less.
Look, I will tell you one thing. I'm a businessman. Like your father is also a businessman. Buy so many buildings and sell so many buildings. Like that, we will write everything or what? Like there is a ghost in this house. If there is any ghost in that building, then prove it. For that, why did you come so far? You can leave now.
Ah. Mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Hello? Who is
Hello?
this?
Hey, I'm Ritu.
Hey, hi. How are you, Dee?
Oh, I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, fine.
Hey, you're in town and you didn't let me know?
I just came with my dad, yeah, for business matter. Who told you?
I had called to your US number. Your dad told me you're here.
Oh, okay. You come home, yeah, we'll talk. I'll send the location.
Okay, sure, I'll be there.
Sure.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye. Uh, uh, mm. Mhm, 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 mhm. Hmm? Ah. Mhm. Huh?
Hi.
Hey, hi. How are you, dear? How many days I didn't see you?
Oh, that's why. I came immediately after you called.
Okay, okay, you come in.
Let's go.
Hey, come here. Sit down.
Wow. Ah. Hmm. 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 Okay, where did you buy this house?
Don't you know about my dad's business? We bought recently,
Hmm. Very nice house.
but there is a small problem.
Problem? What problem?
Recently, we thought of selling this house, yeah. But before we finished the deal with the client, some lovers actually died.
What are you telling? Lovers died, is it?
Yeah, dear. They both committed suicide. But the watchman who was here, he's telling because of the devil in this house, they both died.
Hmm? Huh?
That's why to know what's happening over here, I'm here.
Hmm? What, yeah? Devil, death, you're talking so lightly?
Why are you taking so much tension, yeah? Actually, you don't have to fear so much, okay? I'm also here, no? Okay, dear. Then what else?
Hmm. Nothing else.
Okay, come.
Hmm. Hmm.
Come, yeah.
Mitra, alarm is ringing. Put it off. Mitra? 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 Where is she? Mitra, where are you? Mitra? Mitra? Mitra, where are you? Mitra, are you down? Mitra? Where did she go? Mitra? 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 Mitra?
Good morning. Come.
I'm looking for you upstairs. What are you doing here?
Hey, because you're sleeping so well, I didn't disturb you. Why? Yeah, got scared. Why are you getting so scared? Yeah, I'm here. No. Okay, dear. Come, we'll go
Come.
inside.
Come.
What happened? What happened? Hey, what happened, yeah?
Devil!
Tell me, why did you come here now?
Some sounds. I saw.
Where you heard the noise?
Upstairs. I saw. Upstairs.
What?
Devil.
Devil? Okay, wait, I'll go and see. Wait.
Don't leave. No,
Hey,
no, don't leave.
Leave
don't
me, yeah.
Don't leave. No,
Let me
no,
just
no,
see.
No,
You
no.
be here, I'll come. Hey, nothing is there, yeah. Why are you getting so feared?
There itself. I saw the devil.
Hey,
No, I'm telling you, I saw.
There's nothing there.
I'm telling you, I saw. Come, first we'll leave from here.
Hey,
we'll leave from
listen
here.
to me.
Come.
Your friend might have seen something and got scared, madam.
No, Chari sir. In that building, something mysterious is happening.
What are you saying, madam?
Yeah, in that building, I can hear some mysterious noises too. Why all these things are happening? Who are doing all these? I can't even understand.
Now what we should do, ma'am?
I can't understand that. If client gets to know all this, I don't know what will happen to the deal.
Why are you taking unnecessary tension, madam? Anyway, you are giving the keys within 5 days, right? Till then, somehow we will manage.
But still, this is unfair, sir. If somebody comes and cheat us means, can we also do the same way?
Then we have to do something, ma'am.
Even I'm thinking the same.
Shall I give you one idea, madam? In our village, there will be ghost hunters, madam. We will call them. They'll tell whether the ghost is there or not, madam. This is only the solution, madam.
Will that really happen? Will we get somebody like that? Now, where will they be?
What, brother? You're saying you won't give the amount only? What, you're acting too much, huh?
Nothing like that, brother. I told him that I'll give you back. He gave you the wrong information, brother.
No, brother, if I say your name also, he's saying I don't know.
No, brother. Knowing that you're people, will I not give, brother?
What, man? You don't know me only, ah? Respectfully return my money. I'll leave you alive. What? Understood, ah? Hey, by this evening, if you don't give the money, that's it. Understood, ah?
Okay, brother. By evening, I'll return all the money, brother.
If you don't give, that's it. Go, man.
Just taking money for one time. Every day they're hitting me.
Hi, brother. Come sit. What, brother? After a long time you came. How are you?
Oh, I'm good only.
From many days you didn't came here only. Is everything fine?
Everything is okay, but there is small problem.
Problem? What problem do you have?
That one small problem.
What is that? Say, brother. Is anyone troubling you or what? If I get to know who is he, I'll break his bones.
Every time this work only, huh?
Leaving this, what work I have? Okay, say, what is your problem? Tell, brother.
Brother, phone.
Hmm? Shit, this fellow. There is nothing like that. No, sir. Huh?
What happened?
I have someone. If I say him to beat, he'll kill only.
Look, Dharma, you are a family man. You should avoid these things even after seeing also.
15 crores property, brother. You are asking to give in 2 crores. How it is possible, brother? I have my family. Please show some sympathy.
Dharma, I told you to call and come, not to take your leg. Be happy. Take 2 crores and leave. Drink 2 pegs and leave happily from here. If you say no for this now, tomorrow is second day and the day after tomorrow is third day. Your entire family will be killed. Govinda.
Leave me, brother. Please give the paper. I'll sign it. Don't do anything for me and my family.
You are the right person, Dharma. Do signature. You? Who are you, man? Smoking on my face only? Hey, kill him!
Hey,
Huh?
whom are you speaking about? It's already been 2 seconds that I've finished him.
Take, sir, 2 crores. Taking money from him is not wrong. So, no.
To stop all the bad people, there will be a good person, you know.
Take, sir.
We came now.
Come, my boy, come.
Good morning, sir.
Ah. What you have didn't come.
What did I do, sir?
What, boy? I said to take and come the money from the builder. You bet and came.
He spoke too much. That is why he got it from me. Who will give you money if it's asked with respect?
For that, you'll beat, From him, we can do too much business.
That will be looked after, sir. He will be constructing buildings and we'll keep taking money from him. You don't overthink unnecessarily, sir. Sir, I'm feeling too hungry. Hey, what's there for food inside?
Biryani is there, brother.
Biryani, yeah? Then let's go.
He is only my problem. Fine. Say your problem, brother.
I need one correct person. You should not be scared of anything. You said right. Need killer guy rather than giving warning. If I say correctly, the one guy who went inside now, right? Want that type of guy. That guy only.
That fellow. Why, brother?
Send him, brother. I need it, I said right.
Your wish.
Then what's up, sir?
Vicky. He's Chari, my friend.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
He has one problem. Go see and come.
Okay, sir.
Thanks, brother.
Okay, brother.
See you, sir.
Okay.
You wait here. I'll go in and get the madam here.
Madam? What the...
Who is this, sir? He looks so rough, sir. He looks like a rowdy. Sir, don't you get scared with the devils? What, sir?
He is not a ghost hunter, madam. He is a local rowdy.
What? Why did you get him, sir, then? Time waste.
Not like that, madam. I have searched ghost hunters everywhere, madam. Couldn't find anybody, madam. Finally, I found him. He is very courageous than what we think. And if you pay him, he'll do anything to anyone. For that Bangla guy, he is the correct person to deal with.
I don't know. I feel we are taking a big risk. If something happens to him also, we'll be guilty.
You don't worry, madam. I am there, no, madam. I will take care of everything. Shall I call him, madam?
Huh? It's okay, it's okay.
Huh?
I will only come.
This is our madam. Her name is Mitra.
I thought
What
madam
is this
meant an
fellow?
old lady.
He's
But she
staring
looks
like this?
fabulous.
Hello. What? What are you doing?
Nothing, madam. This bald person bought me here, saying I gotta work for you. So I was just planning the work just by scanning you. Nicely scan.
Hello. Don't talk too much. I called you for work. You don't have to scan me, okay? We have to scan you.
Huh? What are you talking, madam? Do you even know who's this Vicky? Okay, then go and scan me.
Huh. Big overacting he's doing. Okay, okay. Do the job correctly.
You first tell me what is the work. I will decide how it should be done.
What, Chari sir? Didn't you tell him his job?
That madam. I thought you will only tell him directly.
Nothing else. You have to stay in a building for 5 days. We'll give money for that.
Staying there? By doing what?
You have to just stay there.
Huh? That's it? I do know that people who have money give it away. But will they give it for doing nothing? Definitely. I am okay with the deal.
But that's not an ordinary building. They say in that building some devil is there. You don't get scared of ghosts, right?
Come again. Ghost is it? You all still believe all such nonsense. Okay, if it exists, what would it still do? Humans are only capable of hurting them. Did you still get it? That one. In the name of Lord, I condemn you back to hell. The ones who talk all of this.
But you know what? Already 2 died in that building.
Oh.
What? You'll do or go?
I'll do it.
Okay, tell me how much do you need?
This I'll tell you after the work is done. You guys don't be scared. You won't face any problems from today. The devil from the building will run away.
Hey, did he told us to come here?
What, bro? Can you please tell me where are you taking me? Not to sell my kidneys, right?
This guy, not getting
Hey,
white.
Gora.
Hey, look at him.
Huh?
He looks like an astrologer, huh?
Yes, brother. I can see Lakshmi goddess in your eyes. How much ever you earn, it will not stay in your hand.
Bro, shall we ask for astrology?
Why the additional expenses?
Oh, is it?
Why not? Brother, if you give me 1500, we can finish it up. Give, brother. Only 1500 rupees. I'll change your fate. You don't want, huh? God is seeing from up. Don't increase your sin counts, brother. Who is going to save you?
Hey, tell the truth, da. Where are you taking me?
Hey, I'm not able to bear his torture. By the time Vicky comes, we'll at least talk to the astrologer. We'll have some time pass. Come.
Yeah. Don't leave me and go.
What? Can you tell the astrology properly? Huh?
Why are you asking me like that, brother? That is why I'm sitting here, right? Why are you doubting on him? Let's test him, no?
Okay, give him 100 rupees.
You are asking money from me only.
Hey.
I have this much only.
Please take.
Whose fate I should see of you three now?
Here, for the small boy only.
What did you tell for me?
You are too scared, no? You only ask.
These guys are gonna do something for me.
Rahu, Sunny. 1, 3, 6.
Hey, bro. What is he thinking so much?
I think you may die.
What did you tell?
Yes, brother. The way you are going, you'll get lot of troubles. Your fate is going to be devastated in upcoming days.
What should I do now? Tell that.
Nothing, brother. If you give one more 100.
I think you will drink and sleep. No 100, no beer.
I told you right time, right? This guy is a fraud. Let's go now.
Guys, don't tell like that. Don't leave him this way. Give him at least 100, no?
Our Vicky has come now.
Hey, come, let's go.
Huh?
Oh.
Hey,
uh,
tell something, no? This fellow said something and all now. What is that? I will go first. First, I'll keep off this
guys,
luggage.
What are you all doing here?
Just for time pass, we are talking to the astrologer.
Hey guys, come on. What nonsense. Fine, come on.
Okay, get in.
Ready, bro? Let's go.
First, you sit properly, you shorty.
Enough, da.
Hey, short dog. Go open the gate.
What? Me?
You are scared to open the gate also. Go.
Fine, guys, get down.
Hey, bro. What, bro? This is like this. It is. Oh God.
This house is good, yeah. Did you buy it?
None of your business, I guess. You have come here, right? Just enjoy.
Okay.
What to enjoy?
Huh?
Looking at this building only, I'm feeling like somewhat puking.
Hey, shut and come.
Hey,
Hey, come, bro.
Oh my God. What is there on top? Oh God.
Hey, what happened,
I fell from the stairs down.
Ayo, he's one.
Oh God, what happened?
Hey, we'll sit here only, da.
guys, let us sit there.
Oh, we'll sit
Hey,
there.
We'll sit
It's
here
good here
only.
only, sit
We'll
down.
sit here only.
Hey, Akshi.
See,
He
he's a
is
frog
one.
face.
Just sit down, you
Sit,
idiot.
shorty.
Okay.
Put.
One, two, 3, 3.
Aha, nice card, da.
4,
Oh,
5,
wow.
5.
Hey, it's super, da.
6,
Mm.
7,
Ah, I got it.
8.
I think I'll get Rummy. Hey, short butty, what you got, da?
11, 12, 13.
Hey, if I get all 13 jokers, I will only win, no?
this one, that one, and this one, and again this, that.
Joker, Joker, all are Joker. I'll be Joker, I'll be winner.
Super card star.
Eh, Rummy, got it.
Not even a single card has
Mm.
come. Cheh.
Mm. Mm.
Ah,
Mm. Mm. Mm.
hey, Shorty. Hey, you only da. Play da. What are you looking at? Hey, you mad? Play here.
Why aren't you playing here and looking there like a fool?
Hey, something went there, da.
Eh? Hey, you're just wasting the time telling that something went there, something came here. Play the game, man.
Hey, bro. Seriously, something went there.
Nothing like that happened. You just play here.
Hey, bro. Whatever it is, just go once and see, da. Please, da.
Hey, this guy won't let us play until he finds out what is it. Just check it out once.
You shot, buddy. Two. See, simply is disturbing in between.
Hey, if he returns telling that there's nothing, I'll hit you in your face.
Nobody is here. Hey, you know what? Hey, you know what?
Hey, did you see? Something was there, no?
Yeah. It's there. Your dead body. Nothing is there, da.
Bro, something is really there.
Hey, you scary poo. Don't play with me. Just play with the cards. Play.
One, one, two,
If
Two,
we play like this,
two,
we'll finish tomorrow
two.
only.
three.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? Are you distributing cards or counting 1, 2, 3 like LKG, UKG children? Hey, put it fast. Hey, give it here. Hey, bro, you take it, mix it,
give here.
and you distribute it.
Look, no, what I'm going to do with my cards. I have a good fate.
Oh my god.
What happened to him?
Hey, why are you getting scared so much, man? What's wrong with you? Yeah, all the alcohol has gotten down because of him. I must and should drink now. Your wallet, right?
Ayyo, I forgot to get that
Hey,
only, da.
come, let's go.
Bro, get me one beer.
Hey, you are a beer bottle yourself. You need beer.
You stay here, we'll go and come.
Bro, I will also come.
Okay, come.
Bro. Bro. I will only go and see. Not me, don't
Hey,
take me. No,
hey,
no.
hey, it's not a ghost, it's me.
Hey, you are. I thought someone and I got scared.
No devil, nothing. Why did you come here at this time?
Hey, I heard jeep horn sound.
Jeepa. All are sleeping inside. How can only you hear, da?
Hey, listen. I'm telling truth, da. I heard jeep sound not once, twice.
Hey, if you keep talking like this, I will tie you to the jeep only. Hey, you understood now? Get inside. Short buddy. You come. Go in. You spoiled everybody's sleep.